Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a new concealer by L'Oreal, and this is the Infallible More Than Concealer. You can find this one in 25 shades and I got the shade Cashmere 327. This is more than a concealer. You can use it to highlight and contour your face and also to cover any discoloration. I am going to do a wear test to see if this is the best drugstore concealer and also if it is long lasting. I have noticed that the name for the US version of this concealer is Full Wear and my shade is 360 Cashmere. This one gives a natural matte finish to the skin, which I hope it will because my under eye area is very dry. So I really hope that this is going to work for me. The price for this one is €9.95 and we get 11 milligrams of product. It also claims that it covers redness, dark circles and discoloration, so we are going to see on my face if it can cover all of that. Welcome to my face. On my face I have already applied my foundation and primer, and let's see how the concealer works on my dry skin. Let's see what we have here. Oops, okay. So this is a giant doe foot applicator. The scent is very light, it's not overwhelming. I'm going to use a little bit in the inner corner. I want to see how spreadable it is. So I'm taking a Real Technique sponge and let's start buffing into the skin. I can see already that it is creasing a little bit in my very fine lines that I have in the inner corner. Let's see the shade on my hand. Let's swatch it. Okay, so as you can see, it has a yellow undertone. I'm going to take a little bit upwards, and here I have a blue vein and a little bit more in the inner corner. With a small amount of the product, I can still see the discoloration that I have in the inner corner. I am going to apply some more product and see if I can build the coverage. It is sticky, you need to set it with powder. I forgot to tell you about the packaging. We have a plastic container and it is self-opening. Oh, it didn't do it now. About the consistency, it is thicker and it's not very liquidy. So I'm thinking maybe with my finger I can blend it better. Let's continue to the other eye that I have some redness. I don't know what happened. So let's take advantage and see if it will cover it. It covers the redness easier than the blue and purple areas that I have. I also want to use it to highlight this area and my lips and a little bit the forehead. The applicator is soft on the skin. Make sure to use a very small amount of the product on your face because it is very spreadable. You definitely need to blend it first and then apply your powder because as you can see, it has creased. I always set my concealer. This one is a little bit sticky. I hope I will not need a lot of powder. For powder, I am going to use this one by Art Deco Cosmetics. This is a fixing powder. I am going back and forth very lightly and I continue with powder. After applying powder, my eyes feel a little bit tight. Before it was very lightweight, I didn't feel anything. Hi guys, it's been 9 hours and let's see what happened with the concealer. So the concealer looks completely matte. It's not a natural matte finish. It is matte. It is completely set. It's not sticky and also it didn't crease. It is pretty much like in the beginning. It's not tight anymore. I don't feel it on my eyes. I want to test it a little bit more with the Under Eye Primer by Catrice Cosmetics to see if it will look smoother on the eyes. Give this video a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments what is your favorite drugstore concealer. You can watch here the review that I have done for the Under Eye Primer by Catrice Cosmetics. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!